It's ripping stuff.
Oh my god!
Where's that going at the motorway?
Every man for himself, or are you going to sell sacrifice?
That's moving on the motorway, isn't it?
Looks like it.
Looks like
Nick's
steel.
got it going here.
Too many cars.
No, that's trees.
I don't know what it is. Checking out. Because
Display, yeah, display.
It's dying out.
I think we should be in the basement.
Auntie M.
Oh, like, yeah, look at it. One foot down there.
Oh, that was huge.
Right. Well, it's forming again.
Let's go. I appreciate that. It's not moving that fast.
it's really quite
Dinosaur,
small, too,
isn't it? Is it over that way?
No, a tornado.
Tornado.
No. Yeah, there's been steel and nothing. Really? Yeah, roof steel and property.
Going up?
Yeah.
Where did it come from?
Oh, just from trickles from there.
Over my house.
Is it?
Yeah, over your house, mate. Yeah.
Oh, there's your jet ski.
That'd be good thing. That'd be all covered insurance for they that probably get them going again.
It's amazing.
It's a tornado.
It dissipated down there and then started.
Oh, it's
Right,
turning.
Natalie?
Started dissipating.
Still on
It's
the wind.
coming this way.
It's ripping stuff up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going across poop onto it.
Yeah, it's one of the loads.
Rip it up poo.
There's actually two.
Where's another one?
There's two over there, yeah.
Over where?
Right
Hi.
beyond it.
You're looking to see stuff going
Oh
up
my
there.
god, I can see stuff going up into it.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's someone.
You're on your way back.
Oh, that's all right. There's a person riding that one.
It's the witch. Oh my god.
Right.
Oh.
It's like a hat.
Look at it go.
Oh, that's scary.
Okay, see you.
You know what?
How about that?
Well, have you seen the flood?